Okay, quick one. So we are out here heading down to Third Mainland Bridge. Now, what are we doing here? What we're doing is we actually, if you can see, as you can observe from the background, we are carrying out a road test on a Toyota Coaster, I think 2012. Now, why are we doing this is because the Coaster had a fuel pump issue, and that is why we always encourage our customers to go for quality parts. And then we, as a standard garage, would usually recommend OEM. What that means is original equipment manufacturers, fuel pump that's specific for a vehicle as stipulated and specified by the manufacturer. So for Toyota Coaster, there is a brand of fuel pumps that are designed by Toyota to work on this car with guarantees. So however, sometimes customers can be a bit uncomfortable as a result of the cost of original items. And you know, anything that works fine, that works original, costs some fortune. So but the headache that comes with buying inferior, low quality aftermarket parts is not worth it. So here we are now going on a test drive. We have just replaced the aftermarket low grade fuel pump unit for this Toyota Coaster. It's nearly, I can almost call it a heavy duty vehicle. So you need a short fuel pump to be able to convey full capacity on this vehicle and drive for long. So giving the vehicle a stretch helps us to really test the quality of fuel pump, because fuel pump are electrical components, and what they do is simple. They help to take fuel from the storage tank and deliver them straight to the fuel injection components of the engine to make it work well. Your engine needs fuel to run. So one of the issues we have with fuel pumps, or to test the quality, is the ability to deliver specific volume of petrol to the engine, to the injection nozzles, right where you need them. Now, another problem you have with fuel pump is their behavior under intense pressure, use, and temperature. As you run the fuel pump, there's a tendency for it to increase in temperature, which is normal for every equipment. And so, inferior fuel pumps will usually fail after you stretch them for long. So, this vehicle is not just heavy, it is also a long, heavy-duty vehicle. So, we're going to stretch it for long through the 10 km beach and back to the garage and see how it performs. Mind you, we're driving on air condition, so we're putting extra pressure on the engine, extra pressure on the fuel system, extra pressure on the injection nozzles to see how it delivers fuel on maximum load. So this is one of the ways, among many other ways, you can confirm the integrity of original fuel pumps. So stay tuned, we'll give you feedback. Let's see if the performance drops. Let's see if we'll continue to run on full capacity as we go and embark on this test drive. So stay tuned, keep you updated. Mr. OJ, how is it? We're good.